Lantu e-bike as one of the most professional e-bike specialists in China. It is located in Hangzhou city, which is famous as its gorgeous scenery. With more than 10 years development, Lantu e-bike has already formed its own sales team and technical team, who focus on electric bike development and design, quality control and inspection. Our main market is in Europe, Australia, New Zealand, and North America. So far, the main products include electric scooters, electric motorcycle, and different kinds of electric bikes, electric tricycle, and electric bike kits. Besides, Lantu e-bike has got its own certificates for various products like CE and COC certificate for European countries, CPSC for US market. In addition, Lantu e-bike not only provide OEM service, but also for ODM service. Now it is also running its own brand, Lantu e-bike, Rees, Cred Bike. Our value is to grow with our customers together, to put our customers' interest on the top priority. Our mission is to make everyone has a green touring. Start your healthy journey to make our Earth more clean and environmental. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please don't hesitate to contact us. We will continue to devote ourselves to e-bike business with the greatest passion. Hereby, we sincerely invite you to join us together and talk about our dreams.